Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your forgotten password on Instagram. So for those people who do not know what this means, basically let's say you forgot the password of your Instagram, you can reset the password, which means you can go on an option through which you guys can change your password without knowing your current password, alright? So I'm going to be showing you how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with today's video. First step, you want to go to your Instagram, and once you're in your login page, there's going to be the forgot password option. Click on it and it's going to bring you over here, and over here you need to enter your username or your email, whichever thing you know of your Instagram. So I know my username, I'm going to enter that and click on next. You also do that, and once you're in this page, you need to enter the code, and your code is going to be sent to your mobile number or your email. So I choose my email, so the code is going to be sent to my mail. So I'm going to go on to my mail to check the code sent by Instagram. You also go to the place wherever the code is going to be sent, whether it could be your email or your SMS. All right, so I got it on my email, so I'm going to type it my 0757. So this is my code, so I'm going to click on next. And if your code is correct, on the next step, basically it's going to take you to the page over here. Bang, I'm on my Instagram account. Now in order to change the password, what you need to do is go to your mail. So I'm going to go to my mail over here. So this is how you guys can access your account. All right, now to change the password, you need to go to your mail, or you need to go to your SMS. Now once you're on your mail, click on the mail sent by Instagram, click on reset your password, and it's going to take you to the password reset page. Wait for some time. Over here you can enter your new password, enter it again to confirm it, click on reset password, and your new password will be set on your Instagram. So that's how we guys can log in into Instagram without password, as well as how we guys can change your password in Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. See you guys next time. Bye bye.